If you are just starting to sell your digital products, you agree with me that one of the major challenges is the challenge of how to make your first $100. If you are in that category and you're watching this video right now, I'm creating this video for you. And in this video, we're going to talk about how you can make your first $100 selling digital product. So if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, you're welcome. Make sure that you like, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you turn on your notification bell, and do not skip any part of this video so that you don't miss out when I share content like this. So let's get straight into the video. Let's talk about how you can make your first $100 selling your digital product. Now, when it comes to selling digital product, you need to understand that you are offering value. You're not just selling articles, you're not just selling digital products, you're selling things that helps people to solve problems, things that helps people to make their lives better. Very, very important. So keep that in mind. Now let's go to number one. Number one on our list is that you need to pick a simple digital product. You don't need to overthink it. Just focus on something that is easy for you. One tip that I use is to look at something that I am passionate about. All right. You can look at something that you're very much passionate about. It can be an ebook that talks about how you can prepare recipes, 30 easy Nigerian recipes for busy professionals. That's a very good example. You can teach people how to write resumes, create templates about how to, do budget and all of that. You can even do business plans for people. Those things are easier to sell and they are things that people are really looking for. If you're very good with creating video content, you can create a mini course. You can create a webinar where you show people how to do stuff. You can even go ahead and create a checklist or planners or content calendar or anyone that is very easy for you to create. That's number one. Number two is that you need to package it professionally. Now, let me say this. Sometimes you might not be really good at crafting content by yourself. So you do not even need to know how to write. You do not need to know how to create the content. There are locations online, there are platforms online where you can actually download free PLR content. If you want to get more details about that, I'll drop a video in the description section. I'll drop a link there. Make sure to check it. So you need to package it very well. All right, you can use Canva, you can use Google Docs, you can use PDF, you can use Notion to do your design. Make it clean, make it look very presentable. That's number two. Step number three is that you need to price correctly. Now, your goal is to make your first $100. So you need to make sure that your pricing is done correctly. So let's say you want to make $100 in the next 30 days. What do? You can price your product, you can sell it for $2 for 50 persons. All right. You can target that you want to sell for $5 for, let's say, 20 persons. All right. You can target that you want to sell your product for $10 for 10 persons, or you want to sell at $25 for 4 people, or you want to sell at $50 for 2 persons. However you want it, you need to make sure that you price your product correctly, and that will depend on the kind of product you are selling. If you're selling ebooks, you know that the price can be, let's say, $2, $5, or $10. Okay. If you're selling a video course, something that people will watch over time, you can sell, let's say, $10, $25, or $50, depending on the value that you are giving out. Are you getting it now? So that's number three. Step number four is that you need to sell to your first buyers. At this stage, I will assume that you do not really have the budget to run ads, so you can target organic traffic. You can reach out to people on your WhatsApp, you can reach out to people on your Twitter, you can reach out to people on your Telegram. You can host, a session, live videos. You can shoot videos and talk about your content. For instance, now this video I'm shooting now, if I want to sell an ebook now, I'll just tell you, please make sure to check the link in the description for my book about how to sell digital products. Are you seeing the way I'm saying it now? So most people will go there for those who are interested and they will check it. If you have a link to your product or your link to your WhatsApp, these people will reach out to you and then you can sell. That is step number 4. Step number 5 is that you need to use simple tools. You don't need to make it complicated. You need to use simple tools that can help you collect your money and deliver the product. Number 1 tool you can use is Paystack, you can use Flutterwave, you can use Seller, you can use Gumroad. These tools helps you to host and deliver your product successfully. Are you getting now? So how it works is that once they make payment through these tools, your money is received and then they can download your product. Very, very easy. All right, that's step number 5. Step number 6 is that you need to get testimonials. As you are selling, you need to get feedbacks from people. All right, you want to get screenshots, you want to get testimonials, you want to get videos, you want to get audios of satisfied customers. You want to be sure that they love what they bought. Are you getting now? So these are the things you are going to now use for your remarketing. When you are selling again, when you are marketing again, these are the things you want to use to sell. For instance, now this screenshot that you see on your screen now is a screenshot from somebody that bought my digital product. Are you seeing this now? So I have many of these. All right, I'm just showing you this. I have many of them. So if I want to sell to somebody, I can use testimonials to sell, just to prove to them that what I'm selling is actually valuable. All right, so this is the step-by-step process of how you can make your first $100 selling your digital product. It's not complicated. It's just for you to understand the exact step-by-step process. If you got value from this video, please make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, make sure to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss whenever I share content like this. If you'd like to learn exactly how we make money online by selling digital products, just check the link in the description. I'll drop links to more information in the description section, and I'm going to pin it in the comment section. So do well to check all those things. Also, if you have questions for me, drop it in the comment section, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.